Good day. This is Randy again, Jamaica Good Life. A beautiful day today in Harmony Park. The family's out. Oh. See the people. This is what Jamaica looks like right now. Montego Bay Harmony Park feels just like in the 50s. Beautiful black people out here. Mr. Foster, some beautiful black people out here, bro.
Yeah.
This is your country. It's beautiful black people. You know when them used to take them pictures, they were at the old time. I used to them picture there when the people them. But slaves could not go on the beach like this, you know.
Yeah.
And look at this. A lot of beautiful chocolate people. There's nothing like looking at beautiful chocolate people. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Feel the breeze, people. And I'm gonna win more. Look at that. Them swimming, enjoying themselves, orderly. Hear little children make noise. This is your Montego Bay. You're the prince. You're the mayor. Jamaica Good Life, Mr. Foster, Randy, up on the scene, just a look. Montego Bay clean. It's a new day, a new life for me in Montego Bay City. A new life for me. Woo, 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 woo. Let me hit the high note. Yes, people. Wow. What? I never bring no food. You don't bring no food? Next time, try to bring some. People, this is a sight to behold. Back in the days, black people. Wow. Look at the Jamaica. Sunday, after church. Look at that.
Yeah.
And you know the beach clean. Prime Minister, big up yourself, sir. People are running, you know, family. Sunday. So, I tell people there's two Jamaica. Jamaica Number One and Jamaica Two. This is Jamaica Number One. Jamaica Number Two, we talk about the crime and the robbing and the scamming and the hate and the envy and the jealousy and the rape and all of them things. That's Jamaica Number Two. Jamaica Number One is this. We focus on Jamaica Number One. That's what Jamaica Good Life is about. Jamaica Number One. So when you are telling me, say, me now come back to Jamaica, and me I show you Jamaica Number One. More, you for show me the gunman them and the scammers them. Show me them. Eh?
Me not see them.
You see no scammer? You see no gunman? No Jamaica Number One? Nobody are rob nobody right now? Nobody are chop up nobody?
No, sir.
Nobody are murder nobody?
No, sir.
Okay, you not see nothing?
Me not see nothing.
Okay. What are you guys doing? This is your... So this open, the second, open Saturday, right? Last Saturday? The beach. So how you find it now that people are coming? They're orderly?
Well, mostly, alright, like on Saturday and Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Most people don't work on Saturday, so Saturday, Sunday.
Busy.
Yeah. But in the week, you find enough people to see them.
And the beach open in the week too?
Yeah, it open from Wednesday.
Or from Wednesday?
Wednesday to Sunday.
At what? Okay. At what time? Early in the morning too?
No, beach open 9.
9 p.m. 9 a.m.
9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 5.
to 5 p.m. from Wednesday.
Yeah, from Wednesday to Saturday, but Sunday now, from 9 a.m.
To 12. Wow. So there no food is allowed on the beach?
Yeah, you can buy your food and
So what's not allowed today?
well, only thing like you must have like glass bottle, knife or any other weapon.
Okay, got it. Pepper fire. But this is beautiful. Are there any other parks like looking like this in Jamaica? This is probably the only one.
No, I best part.
Best one, but there's no other place for public that looks like this.
Don't think so.
Because this is beautiful.
Best one so far.
This is beautiful. Because the people them deserve this. This is supposed to be everywhere, you know?
Yeah, we chat, brother.
A boy's drifting out to sea here. A ball. It's a ball. They need to get a ball.
No, we don't chase balls.
You don't chase.
We won them before.
Don't say that, brother. Don't say it like that.
We don't chase balls.
That round thing over there, that boom bang.
Yeah,
The boom bang.
we don't see.
Okay.
That's why we talk.
But wait. I'm going to ask for a swimmer for you. Because you're a little girl. I'm going to find out which one of them money I can get it for you, all right? We're going to ask around for an expert swimmer. Because you see, when you see a little girl,
No, that's why we talk to them.
you tell them.
Exactly.
Did you hear what he said?
Yeah, we talk to them before.
He didn't say. Where's your parents? Your father can swim?
Can't leave people like that go swim after a ball.
All right, I'm going to ask one of these expert swimmers. Boy, that's a far, it gone far, you know?
Well, it's going to go in the rocks.
It's going to go into the rock. So then, you know what? You know what? Maybe Mr. Foster, you think you can save the ball by walking around here? You'll be a great hero today. Mr. Foster? No, not you. Mr. Foster, you could help. Mr. Foster? Don't tell me say you want me to go do it. Hold the camera. You waste of time. You ever see them? Hold the camera. Me go for the ball for the girl. Me have to go meet it on time. Let me see if I can see it. Where's my shoes? Come, film me. Oh, that's ball.
What's up, baby? This is Jamaica Good Life. Randy is going to save a ball for the kids. Yes. Watch him, people. Watch him now. That's Randy going to save the ball. That's Mr. Randy. Janet X, do you see Mr. Randy? Yes, Mr. Randy going to save a ball for the kids. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Yes, people, that is Randy. Jamaica Good Life, that is Randy. That is Randy trying to save a ball for the kids.
Where's the little girl? So what must you say? Come on. What do you say?
All right.
What do you say? I don't know where she goes.
Randy. He's a great king.
Where's that?
He's a great king.
You know how we do. Take care. Don't let you get away. So guys, you gotta do everything for kids. You know? Hey, nice over there, so look over there.
This is saying go walk on the rock.
Huh?
This is saying go on the rock.
No man, it's nice.
You're gonna take your test your skill?
Just my skill, if me can rock. But we never know how the rock them stay, so
Oh,
I'm gonna think it's a little shallow, but it's good,
yeah.
you know?
You take a big chance.
What chance?
You know, see egg.
Eh?
You know, see egg.
Sea egg.
Them black something like mackerel run up in your foot and spoil the rest of your day.
Okay.
Them things they live on the rock.
Them live on the rock.
Yes, so that's why they
Them live
on the stone then.
under the water.
Under the water.
On the
When
stone.
you walk.
Yeah. This is some black thing.
Why you lucky man?
And the stone them sharp too. Yeah, well, me there watch out, you know?
Okay. That's why I made a call you tell her to turn back and go on the rock.
Yeah, but nice over there
You
still.
get lucky.
Lucky.
Just consider saying you're lucky there. You get lucky.
What you say? A nice beach, man. Sea egg.
Yeah.
So them
Foreigners them say sea urchins.
sea urchins. So now with them sticking out.
Yes.
Sea urchins.
There are some black spine on them like mackerel here. You break off and then you put they have to keep it on here and show ammonia for them.
Forget it all.
Dissolve it. But for days you will not pay with it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice day.
Yes, my brother.
Take care.
Yeah man, all the best.
Great hero. He's a great king. Hello, people.
Nice place.
Nice place.
Yes, people. This is the life. Now them knees. This is the life. This is a good life. Government official. I just pick them want, you know, picking them in a shower and live like how. Let me tell you something. They might live like how other cultures lived.
Yeah.
From 1950s, and Jamaica, them just enjoy it.
Yeah.
From 1950s, other culture have this nice settings and safe, and Jamaica just enjoy it. That's why you know so the politicians them just start to enjoy. So when them a do good, you have to say good. So when them a do bad, say bad. But whoever do this, one must compliment yourself. Say it can be done. You see it? Yeah man, it can be done in Jamaica. Look at picking them family there, family happy. You see? Family them happy, you know?
Yeah.
Imagine Sunday. Remember, curry chicken next week. Family them happy. This is Jamaica Good Life. It's not a cool.
Back over here.
Yeah.